Hi students, here's example 2 in the problem solving set of notes for calculating energy. So here's the problem. It says a 1,000 kilogram car has 72,000 joules of kinetic energy. What is the velocity of the car? So our first step is to list what we know from the problem. I see 1,000 kilograms and I recognize that as a mass. So I say M equals 1,000 kilograms. Then I recognize this number, 72,000 joules of kinetic energy. So that's our kinetic energy. And finally, it asks what is the velocity. So that means our question mark is V. So that's the list of what we know. Next, we need to choose the equation. Since we are dealing with kinetic energy, we need to use the equation for kinetic energy. Ke equals 1/2 mv squared. Okay, next we plug in the numbers. I know the kinetic energy is 72,000 equals 1/2 times the mass, which is 1,000, times the velocity squared. Now to go from here to solve it, first I can multiply 1/2 by 1,000. That gives me 500. So 72,000 equals 500 times v squared. Then next, I need to get the v squared by itself. That means dividing both sides by 500. When I do that, this gives me 144. And the other side, 500v squared divided by 500 gives me v squared. We're almost done, but you realize this is a velocity squared. I want the velocity itself. So, to get my final answer, I need to take the square root of both sides. So square root of the left side, square root of the right side. Well, square root of 144 is just 12. Square root of v squared is just v. So I know v equals 12. And since this is a velocity, the units are meters per second. So there you have it.